If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, it's mail call time. Here we go right now. Just got this in today, and I really don't know what it is, but it comes from a friend of mine. And thank you, Justin, for sending me this whatever. And here we go. I'll be darned. Look at that. Is that cool? That is cool. La Petite Prince disposable medical mask. I'll be darned. I've never seen that before. Well, thank you. Oh, and I got some ink.
Because you have the La Petite Prince pen.
And the ink, and some more ink, and some cards, and some peanuts. All right, my friend. Wow. This is the Diamond Hong Kong exclusive. Okay. All right. Gonna have to check that little deal out. All right. And the Line Rock. Well, thank you, my friend. Thank you, thank you. And I think I got one more thing in here. And can you read that, Mr. Announcer? I can't read Japanese.
No.
Or Chinese. I'll take it.
Looks like maybe a bookmark.
A bookmark, a little bear, polar bear maybe, or like that. Okay. Well, Justin, thank you, my friend. And you know what? You know I'm going to use these, right? How cool is this? I've never even thought they made any. Wow. Well, tomorrow morning I shall wear one to Starbucks. Peace and love, my friend. Thank you. Later, guys.